Hello and welcome to another update video about Ethereum. So generally, as I said before, the Ethereum chart looks a bit stronger than the Bitcoin chart. However, also here we have a bit of a problem from a chart point of view in that some of the bullish scenarios we had on the chart have been invalidated. I think I explained it all in detail yesterday and explained again, reinforced again, that to get some relief from downside pressure and from the risk that we will get below $880 again, we really need to move above this important resistance area here, above 1255 and 1280. That is just structurally a very, very important level. Until we don't do that, there is still significant downside potential in the chart. And all of this could just be a correction from which we are heading further down in an impulsive wave, take out the $880 level and move lower. A few targets here, 824, 770 and 615, with 615 probably be the most relevant one, which is the 88.7% fib level. Now, yesterday, what is happening here with Ethereum? I did expect another lower low based on the wave count. I had to. The way this is coming down now, or this has come down, suggests that wave 5 was a truncated wave. Here on the small time frame can happen, but is very unusual. Yeah, it is rather rare, rather unusual. You would not normally expect it for a wave 5 to be truncated. Happened though, and can happen if following price action is bullish. Okay, so I mean it started bullish, so this will be interesting to see how this is going to play out, because truncated wave, I would expect when the next wave indeed would be a wave 3. So this would be interesting possibly for our breakout scenario here, yeah, where we would expect a wave 3 to the upside. And if this is a wave 3, in which we now are, because it could have started, yeah, we could have already seen now the first wave, maybe on lower time frame, but a first wave, 2, 3, 4, just to show it simplified how this would go and play out now. So we could have already seen the wave 1 with yesterday's move here strongly to the upside. And if this is the wave 3 in blue, which should consist again of 5 waves, we should fairly easily go through this level here between 1255 and 1280. So for now, yeah, a move above $1,111 would confirm, first of all, that we are heading higher here in a wave 3. How have we retraced? I believe we have retraced to levels that are for a wave 2 okay, yeah. So we've retraced to the 61.8% fib level. That looks even more bullish than on the Bitcoin chart. I mean, generally, the Ethereum chart here looks better than the Bitcoin chart. Also here, this move looks better than the Bitcoin chart. We can now expect some support here. On the Bitcoin chart, we dropped a bit too low. We dropped into the region between the 61.8 and the 78.6% fib level. And this just looks a bit better here. Yeah, it just looks a bit better. And from here, we could now expect a move up in a wave 3 if this swing low is holding. If it doesn't hold, then we could expect a move to the 78.6% fib level at $1,028. So if this level holds, what would be the next target for, let's say, a wave 3? Let's try that. So if this is the low, we would expect $1,221 next in a wave 3. And if this is a wave 3, it should actually start doing something today, because it would be very bullish, especially with a truncated low in place. Okay, so this is possible. Bear in mind, as I said before, also explained it in the Bitcoin video, if we don't get above this resistance area, all of this price action has a real risk still to make a lower low compared to 880. Yeah, that means that we can come down, make a lower low. But for now, this is looking interesting. Evidence that this here indeed was not a 1-2 would be obtained below $1,006. So as long as we stay above 1,006, we can focus on higher prices. If we go below that, I don't think this would still be bullish. I think then we can see, first of all, the next swing low at $940 and then the $880 level if we don't take it out. Yeah, until then, we still have a chance here to create basically a double bottom, which is a possible reversal pattern. But the lower we go, the less likely it is that this is still a breakout scenario to the upside. Okay, we need to be aware of that, but I also explained the detail behind it in the Bitcoin video. Okay, and that is my view about Ethereum. So hopefully you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.